Alright, let's get cleaning. Today I'm tackling a washroom countertop, sink, and a faucet. Before we begin, this is what we're working with. There's a lot of stains, dust, grime, and mildew. To begin, I'm going to assemble my electric scrub brush, which was gifted to me by Lirifine. I'm going to start with the angled scrub brush, the one with a pointy tip because we'll need it to get into the grooves and corners. I've already sprayed some bathroom cleaner onto the wash basin, faucet, and countertop. I'm going straight for the ledge first and see how the pointed tip of the scrub brush is able to get into the small ledge. The head is rotating at the same time to dig out the grime and dirt. And here I'm going to get real close up while I conquer the space behind and around the faucet. See how easy it is with this angled brush head to get into the space behind the faucet? I'm also going to get all around the faucet as well. You can already see a lot of the dirt and grime has been dug out and removed, and that took no effort. Definitely no elbow grease required. What I love about using this electric brush is that I haven't had to get my nails dirty nor my hands wet yet. And here I'm starting to tackle the undermount of the sink. There's a lot of grime underneath that is getting loosened up. And here I'll show you how much dirt the scrub brush has captured because it was able to dig out all that grime. But with a quick rinse, the scrub brush is clean again. And now I'm going to go and replace the angled scrub brush with the flat one so I can conquer the sink where the drain is. I'll just lightly brush this over and look how quickly it is able to dig up that dirt. It's disgusting, yet so satisfying. Now I'm going to go ahead and replace the brush head again, and this time we'll insert the soft sponge on so we can go over the countertop. See how easily the sponge glides across the countertop, and I don't have to worry about any scratches because the sponge is nice and soft and there are no bristles to worry about. And finally, a quick rinse with a towel and warm water to wipe away the debris. Look at this. Everything is sparkling clean. What a huge difference between what we started with and the clean countertop faucet and sink we now have. And that took absolutely no effort because the electric spin brush did all the work.